Hey guys, welcome to my office, aka I'm in the dungeon. Down in the basement, going through some footage of pulling the interior and dyeing some pieces of Maxine. It's been a while since I've posted something, so I had to get a video up. I just wanted to get one out there for you guys. If you're wondering what's going on, we are going to be at Pitt's, Ponies in the Smokies, if you don't know what that is. We are going to have a booth inside, so come look for us. Just say what's up, and hopefully Maxine will be there in some form. The roll cage is almost done. Hoping to paint that this week and get the interior started going back in. And hopefully, I don't know if I'll get it fired this week or not, but anyway. Stick around, check out this time-lapse video of some interior dyeing pieces and pulling the dash out. And I will see you guys in a video next week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to come see us at Pitt's, Ponies in the Smokies, March 20th through the 24th. We're going to be inside with Maxine, hopefully, like I said earlier. But anyway, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button and share if you really like it. I'm out of here.